Coming to the next question, students sometimes make mistake in choosing their branches. In what ways do you think IITs give them a chance to get out of this situation? Perhaps you can throw some light on branch change and taking up minors while they are at IITs.
So in fact, I would say a lot of people make errors in choosing their programs, right? Because as a 12th class student, what do you know? And particularly this year is going to be worse because you aren't able to travel and ask people questions, right? So IITs don't handle it very well, right? I mean, the way to handle this is essentially two. One is give a chance to change the major, right? So at all IITs would have some branch change policy. So at the end of 1 year, based on some rules, you are able to change from program 1 to program 2. Okay. Unfortunately, what happens in that is that every IIT has very restricted policy that you can only increase the strength of a department by 5% or 10%, or you cannot you cannot reduce the strength significantly of the department which is less popular and so on, right? Therefore, I would never advise anybody to look at branch change as a way to take decisions. Branch change should be a hope after you join a department, join an institute. You should work hard and try to see if you can get branch change, but not at the time of admission. You shouldn't say, I should join this IIT because I'm sure I can get a branch change. That surety should not be there. But what IITs have started doing is to handle this problem is the other aspect that you mentioned, the minor. Right? So many IITs today have significant number of open electives, and they will allow students to do minor in the other discipline. Right? But again, this is not true for all IITs. Right? Some IITs do not have enough credits in the open electives bucket. So, you need to do 5 courses, but open electives is only 6 courses. Do you really want to use 5 out of those 6 in doing a minor and have no other options whatsoever, right? So you need to find out more details about the program from each IIT, right? There are IITs, I don't want to name them, but they will say, oh, even in minor, I will put a restriction. Only 20 students can be in the minor in a popular program because the popular program refuses to handle very large class. So I think these are the questions that you need to ask from each IIT. How much flexibility they have in their curriculum, so that if I decide later on that I'm not liking what I'm doing, do I have at least some way out of doing something else, right? So if I have joined BTech in X, yes, I will have to do BTech in X, but can I also do at least 4, 5, 6 courses in discipline Y or Z, right? That is a question that you should ask from each IIT.